Hang on, did that drum move when you shut the door? Yeah, it did. I swear it's in suspension or something.
Sorry.
It's quite quiet actually.
Yeah, it's actually really nice.
Yeah.
It would be so noisy if we didn't have all this loose change on the top.
Yeah.
Which is only then in my pocket. Ooh, a nice English £5 note. Nice crisp English £5 note.
Does it reverse?
No.
No. I like the tumble on it, it's quite good that.
Yeah.
Oh! See my jeans up there, stick them in as well.
Oh, yeah, we could. Good thinking, Batwoman. So where does this all this loose change go? Does it go in my back pocket or my side pocket?
No, my pocket. That is really quiet for a dryer.
Yeah.
Why can't they be that quiet nowadays?
Flaming noisy, that's what.
Yeah.
You get a nice flow at the back.
Yeah. Do you? That's actually pretty crap compared to most actually, but hey,
No,
well,
it's not flat.
yeah. Got the bobs there. Oh!